So our bite-size offer is built around the NIHR Leadership Framework. It's built around 3 core pillars, which are leading self, leading others, and leading beyond authority. And this details the critical leadership behaviours needed to build and strengthen NIHR culture. Core topics include self-awareness, influencing skills, compassionate and inclusive leadership, delegation. So there's a really broad sphere of learning opportunities and specific skills and behaviours that NIHR regard as important for our leadership community. And these topics are delivered in a webinar, workshop and e-learning format. And the idea is that there's a learning format that should work for everybody to provide an accessible and inclusive offer.